Mega Machina is back with trucks, ice roads, and those moments that make you lean in a little closer. Let's see how this winter lineup delivers. Striking images from Norway show a lorry sliding down a snowy mountainside, dragging the tow truck sent to rescue it along. The tow truck driver managed to jump to safety before both vehicles plunged over a cliff. Both drivers survived the incident, which took place in Norway's Nordland County and are reported to be in stable condition. Imagine being stuck in the snow for days, only to see this beast emerge through the whiteout. We're just south of Aurora, Nebraska. These cars took downtown a little too literally. Straight down the hill, no stopping. Glad everyone made it out okay.
Так проходят другие вездеходы.
This footage shows an intense amphibious journey from Kino to Tilichiki as tracked vehicles push through deep snow and icy rivers in Kamchatka, showcasing their impressive off-road capabilities in sub-zero conditions. It appears the driver failed to notice the height restriction sign before the collision. Who needs a massive recovery truck when a brave Subaru and a tow rope will do? It brings to mind the old military rigs. Not exactly a comfortable ride. You'd probably bang your elbows on the doors during those jumps, but it's built like a tank. Simple, mechanical, and nearly unstoppable in the middle of nowhere. Pure heat. Ice racing is thrilling, but the risks are immediate and serious. Seeing cars sink within seconds is a stark reminder that a frozen river can never be trusted. In this sport, understanding the danger matters just as much as speed. For $60,000, you get the Skiff, a descendant of the legendary GTT. Some argue it's outdated compared to the MTLB, but its ability to power through deep snow is undeniable. That said, those old-school control levers probably aren't too kind on the knees. Forget the shovel. Today, we're watching a 96 Impreza wagon try to brute force its way through 30 inches of fresh powder. Let's see if those winter tires can actually find some grip. The driver is clearly eager to finish the shift and make it home. Built for heavy accumulation, the Fair Manufacturing 848 shows how hydraulic power can launch packed snow clear over the fence line. Winter doesn't forgive mistakes.
Are you all right?
Respect to everyone
You okay?
dealing with this every year, real heroes.
Careful, careful.
There you go. There you go.
That 6.2-liter V8 proves why people say
job.
Ford is built tough, pulling the rig with ease. No roads, no problem. As long as the diesel runs, they'll find a way.
All right, Mike, you got it. Good job.
Ah, he's sliding.
Tankers on ice
Oh, there's
are
a full
especially
thing.
dangerous. Liquid loads shift fast, pushing the truck out of line under braking.
Oh, God.
Another one who lost control. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Zero traction, steep hills, and bad decisions turn mornings very expensive, very quickly.